back to the channel. Yes, you read the title correctly. Myself and the premium channel members had an incredible entry on this last night or a few hours ago. Bought in at a really good area. Again, we were plotting this out for quite some time. And as you can see, just up, just under 10% at the moment. Obviously, we hit highs last night of 21%. So of course, if we wanted a quick, quick return, this could have easily been a nice little day trade. But of course, we have some juicy targets on that, and it's only available in the premium channel. So make sure you check that out. Link in the description. Also, make sure you stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to show you what our overall plan is moving forward, why we entered at this level, and again, potential restock levels as well. So with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you click the bell notification icon so you can stay up to date on all my recent videos. Remember guys, nothing that you see in this video is financial advice. So always make sure to do your own research. So let's get into it. Number one, why did we actually buy at this level? What I'm going to do, go on a large screen just so we can see the overall picture here. Of course, we did have restock levels. And don't forget, guys, click the link in my description because obviously we drop gems in that Telegram group as well. That's a must join, really, especially if you want early updates on OMI and other cryptocurrency gems. So obviously, we did have, restock levels as low as, 0.5 cent. But of course, we understand the way the market works. And if there is real demand for this cryptocurrency, like we believe there is, the idea that this is going to go as low as 5 cent, it's like I said, a buy limit is great, but this is our 50% fib, which we're sitting comfortably above. The 61.8 Fibonacci makes sense, but of course that is just an emergency restock level, which we have a juicy order at just in case we do hit that level. But to be honest with you, the way things look at the moment, I just see us starting to trend to the upside. At the moment, a lot of traders with weak hands are being flushed out the market, which to be honest with you is great to see. We've had a few people in the comments saying, I've just sold my OMI, etc. I mean, that's great for you. If you're selling it because you've reached your desired targets, like I always say, that's great. Some people are selling just because they believe for some reason, all of a sudden the project is garbage just because the actual OMI position won't go your way. That's not how the market works. And that's why I say, guys, make sure you're trying to actively learn how to trade, how to get your entries, how to get your targets, where do I enter, where do I exit? These are all the things you have to learn in order to be proficient in the market. And if that's too much for you to cope with, just trade the NFTs. The NFTs, you can make just as much money, 100x on your money selling NFTs in the actual VV app platform. But this isn't for everyone. Especially if you can't stomach, some of these drawdowns, or you can't be patient for, the actual moves. But anyway, with that being said, guys, I do believe that we're going to start trending to the upside. I've said this before, I've said it again. We are going to start trending to the upside. I'm not sure if we're going to get any lower than this, which is why we decided to buy at this base support here. As long as we stay in this zone, more than good. But either way, we're still prepared for more entries if we do fall lower, and then we do have our targets in mind as well, only available in the premium channel. So the question is, where do we go from here? What we are looking for now is a momentum plays, right? We're looking for momentum, and I do believe we're going to start getting that. There's a lot of, we speak a lot about whales in the OMI space. Well, at the end of the day, these whales are going to be watching this level closely, right? So if there's any, let's just zoom out. If there's any momentum to come from this, we're likely to see it at two levels. And again, guys, this is on the house, right? At this level here, and the other level have to be in the Telegram group for that. So make sure you do click that link in my description and stay up to date on that. But this is one of the main momentum plays that we're going to see. In terms of burst to the upside, it could be this. And again, this could also fall in alignment with the fundamental data that should be released soon by the ECOMI team. This is just a match made in heaven, really. just from a fundamental and technical perspective. So we're still waiting on that data. That could be the catalyst to really push price to the upside. But all in all, this looks really, really good just from a charting perspective. And just to summarize it at that point, two main reasons I bought. Number one, plan to restock anyway, and price is at a really good level. So we're in a key zone area where this is actually a strong support. Why? We've had many rejections at this level. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 rejections to the downside, which means that buyers, anytime price moves into this level, buyers are buying this up. Buyers are really, really buying this up at this level. So traders with weak hands selling off, we buy up more. And then obviously we do have our emergency restock area as well, which I did mention. And number two, I just see this as an opportunity. For example, waiting for price to hit 0.5% could be a missed opportunity completely, right? The last thing I would want is for price just to rally off this level, and then I have to look for a restock level at a more expensive price, which is likely to happen. And of course, there's a lot of issues with people that, because they don't know what they're doing, they're literally just buying anywhere, and hoping for the best. That's not how this is. That's not how it works. You have to have a plan and understand, what your plan is, what your objectives are, and move forward like that. Just buying and then complaining when it doesn't go your way doesn't make sense. Now, of course, if you're a long-term hodler and you're saying, okay, the market is red today, I'm going to buy more because I want to add more to my bag and I don't care about this moving, I don't care about the movement on this, then kudos to you. Again, that's also an incredible strategy. But the point is, you must have a plan. Let's just look at some ECOMI news quickly. So for those of you that were asking about the marketplace, so the marketplace, like I said, was reopening gradually, right? And so an update, they added 1,000 new users to the marketplace. That was last week, I believe. I happened to be added to that. And again, no, guys, that's not preferential treatment. I've been waiting months on end for that, months on end. And again, thank you for all your patience as we roll this out. We expect to add another 5,000 soon. So I think by the end of this week, everybody should near enough be able to start using this. I mean, some people were in the marketplace from last month, I believe, or which is insane. But yeah. Also, an update on OMI burn, 2.5%. We went over that before. But the things are looking really, really good for this project now. Alfred Khan, head of licensing, has an interview coming pretty soon. I might check that out myself. But apart from that, guys, just a quick update. We bought and restocked on OMI, and for the reasons that you've seen in this video. With that being said, guys, when others are fearful, be greedy. When others are greedy, be fearful. And at the moment, there's a lot of fear at the moment, and that's why we bought this up. With that being said, guys, seize the day.